Ladies and gentlemen, it's a day of mourning and a day of celebration to an extent, as just a few hours ago, 10 blocks away from my house, and I didn't even know about it, Super Frankie Lampard officially signed with NYCFC. The living legend is gone. But he's only going to be a train ride away up in the Bronx, so I'll see how it works out. But besides that, I do have some good news. It's after 4 o'clock, the markets are closed, and it's happy hour in New York City. And trust me, I really need a drink. Now, U.S. stocks, they traded mixed Thursday with the S&P 500. Very little change as investors took in disappointing data in the housing market, as well as some upbeat earnings. Now, ahead of today's open, futures, they held on to modest gains. This after the government reported weekly jobless claims coming in at 284,000 last week. That was below the 308,000 expected. Also, the Commerce Department went on to say that housing sales dropped 8.1%, therefore marking the largest decline since July 2013 to an annual rate of 406,000 units. And on a day that saw the Dow Jones soar to begin with and then lose its momentum halfway through the session, let's now take a look to see how the big board and the other U.S. markets closed out the trading session. Meanwhile, on the corporate front, shares of Caterpillar falling in early New York trade and in the afternoon as well, as second quarter earnings beat expectations, but revenue that fell short. General Motors shares falling after the car maker reported a lower than expected second quarter profit, while shares of Walmart falling after the discount retailer said CEO Bill Simon would indeed leave the company. So there you have it. Kick back, relax, have yourself a drink. I myself am going to have a couple in honor, out of respect, of the living legend, Super Frankie Lampard. And until tomorrow morning, I'll leave you with this. I'm James Swinner.